Welcome to Thesaurus Thrive. Today, we're exploring the word militant, a strong and powerful word that you might hear in conversations about politics, social movements, or even history. So, what does militant really mean? Simply put, a militant person or group is someone who is very active, determined, and sometimes aggressive in fighting for a cause. They don't just talk about change, they take action, sometimes using force or strong methods. For example, you might hear about a militant group that works hard and fights strongly for their beliefs. The word can describe both people who are politically active and those who show strong dedication in other areas. But what about synonyms? There are many words that share the same or similar meanings. Aggressive, combative, fighting, hostile, belligerent. These words help you understand the different shades of meaning militant can have. Some words emphasize aggression, while others focus on the readiness to fight or struggle for a cause. Remember, not all militancy is negative. It can mean passion and courage to stand up for what you believe in. But sometimes it can also imply being too forceful or extreme. So next time you hear the word militant, you'll know it's about energy, action, and strong commitment, sometimes peaceful, sometimes forceful. Don't forget to check out more words and their meanings to improve your vocabulary. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to Thesaurus Thrive for weekly word explorations.